Mussaenda erythrophylla, commonly known as the red-flowered Mussaenda, is a striking ornamental plant. This species thrives in tropical and subtropical regions, particularly in Southeast Asia. It features broad, dark green leaves and distinctive, large, colorful bracts surrounding its white flowers. In many cultures, it is valued for its beauty and is often used in traditional medicine. To propagate, use cuttings and ensure regular watering for healthy growth. Watch out for aphids and fungal infections, which can affect its health. Ecologically, it supports local biodiversity by attracting pollinators.
This plant is native to Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like Malaysia and Indonesia. It features broad, green leaves and striking clusters of bright red and white flowers. The vibrant colors attract pollinators, enhancing its ecological significance. In traditional medicine, it's used for its anti-inflammatory properties. Mussaenda erythrophylla prefers well-drained soil and partial shade for optimal growth. It supports local ecosystems by providing nectar for various insects. For propagation, cuttings can be taken in the rainy season. Interestingly, its flowers can change color based on environmental conditions. Overall, it plays a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity.